Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by collecting exactly what the Quest needs: a single FBX or GLB with a clean armature and baked textures. Connect your Quest to USB and enable developer mode. You'll need USB debugging for fast transfers. Open Blender or your exporter and check vertex counts and triangle budgets. Quest prefers low to moderate poly counts. Once done, create 1/2 texture versions to save VR memory. And make sure materials use PBR metalness workflow, so Unity will import them predictably. You now optimize and retarget. Import your model into Blender or Unity and decimate meshes where silhouettes won't suffer. Retarget the PC rig to a humanoid avatar in Unity's rig settings, mapping hips, spine, head, and hands so standard VR, IK, and input work. Once retargeted, bake LODs and atlases. Pack multiple textures into one to reduce draw calls. Make sure normals and tangents are correct. If they aren't, rebake them. After this, export an optimized FBX or GLB ready for Unity import. You finalize by importing into Unity, assigning the Oculus or XR avatar prefab, and switching build target to Android with IL2 CPP and ARM64. Adjust quality to single-pass instanced rendering and set texture compression. Ask for Quest. Build and deploy via ADB. Watch the Unity console for shader or bone warnings. Once on Quest, systematically test body tracking, hands, and common poses. If you see clipping or stuttering, reduce LODs, lower texture sizes, or disable.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.